How to change your email on Oculus Quest 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In this tutorial video, I will simply show you the way on how you can change your email address on your Oculus account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, in order to change our email on Oculus Quest, as you can see, if I go ahead and then open up the Meta Quest application, I will not be able to find the option to do so. That is because we have to change our email address using our browser. By the way, you can also do this process if you're on Windows or Mac. Just go ahead and follow all of the instructions accordingly. Another thing that I also want to address is that if you're signed in or if you're logged into Oculus with your Facebook, you have to change the email address for your Facebook account in order for the changes to be saved on your Oculus account. Only if you have an independent account will you then be able to change your email address on Oculus. So what I want you to do is just go ahead and launch any of the browser which you have on your phone, your Windows, or anywhere else. Once you open up your browser, in the search box, I will leave this link in the description. You just have to go to the URL called secure.oculus.com/my/profile. So as I said earlier, if this is just too confusing for you, I will make sure to leave the link in the description box to make it easy for you guys. secure.oculus.com/my/profile, and then hit the go button. After you do that, you want to make sure to log into the account of which you want to change the email address of. So once you go to secure.com/oculus/my/profile, you will see this kind of interface. You can see your profile name, you can see your birthday or other personal information, and if you look at the very top, you can see your current email address. Keep in mind that if you're logged in with Facebook, you will not be able to find this option. So only if you have an independent account, you'll be able to find this. In order to change it, we just have to tap on the edit button on the right hand side of it, and once you do that, you don't need to verify your old email address. All you need to do is just go ahead and enter the new email address that you want to use in this particular box. So just go ahead and enter the new email address that you might want to use, and then confirm it again in the next box that you see. Once you've done so, all you have to do is simply tap on the save button. Before you tap on save, also make sure you have access to that particular email address because it may ask you to send a code and so on. Once you verify with the code, it would have successfully changed your email address to the new one that you wish. And this is simply how you can change your email on Oculus Quest. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.